What's up guys, this is your boy Tyler Swoop and Sam and DWS. Right now we are on the way to this Retro Havoc event, so let's go! I think I attended Retro Havoc once at the Curve. That was the first time, and then this is the second time, and then this time they have even more collaboration. So this whole Retro Evoke event, I think there's more than 400 cars around there. It's like pretty long. Can you imagine like the whole runway of the plane runway airport that long? You can imagine how many cars out there you can see, like. And then like right in front they have like taxi drifting and then some Hot Wheels. Yeah, I just bought a few. Alright, so I guess that's all for today's event. More or less it's the same, but I appreciate that Havoc still continue keeping up this this kind of event. I can see there's few cars that brought back last few years, and I've seen that before, and there's many more other cars too. So let's hope for tomorrow events too. Alright, let's go! Right, today is actually the second race for the Asia Le Mans series. So I guess you can hear the sound of racing itself. Now it's about 3 o'clock. So the event actually starts at 2, so it has been running for an hour. Free entry. This is the first time me attending the Le Mans. Today I'll be coming together with Jessica and Sam. Let me show you what is Le Mans, Asian Le Mans series, Sepang circuit. Wow! I think it's like the best firework you ever heard. On point, on point. that's all for today. Asia Le Mans series. It was an amazing race. Very intense, very hardcore. They attended Retro Havoc, and today is the Asia Le Mans series. It was a great experience. I really love it. 来讲一下你的感想 for 那个比赛。Okay, thank you. Do you mind to share your experience? Yeah, they're all shy, but it was a good experience. Once again, my name is Titus and DWS. See you when I see you.